gonna have a little get together. He said like everybody basically bailed on him, so I'm gonna pop out. Boy, it is cold. My upper body's actually not too bad, right? I got this nice little setup to kind of keep the wind from actually touching my skin. Even though it looks like I got a normal hoodie on, like I got like this kind of windbreaker jacket under it. Although it's not like my other windbreakers. My other windbreakers will work better, but they're also pretty big, so I can't put on a normal hoodie. I do my little tuck-in thing with my pants, keep them tight, keep air from coming up under them. Someone tried to tell me it looked weird, like, man, you don't get the fuck on. You know how cold it is out here, bro? Yeah, I know how to warm up your tires. You can do the little wiggle, or you can you just go fast, brake hard. Whichever one works out better. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. We like loaded in, bro. We locked in, bro. Gotta stay warm, man. You do not, especially your chest. You do not want to make your chest and your neck, you do not want those getting cold. Those are like the biggest ways you're gonna actually get sick. Oh baby Willie.
Fight for underdogs everywhere. Good, evil, I reject them both.
Oh yeah, I forgot. This is like, people are coming home from work. I was wondering why there was a slowdown. Now it makes sense. Because it gets so dark so soon, you think that it's like 8 o'clock. You think it's 8, 9 o'clock. It's not. It's 6. It's 6:30. Jack in the Box, we want Chick-fil-A. Man, bro, that Wendy's was crazy, dog. Some lady ordered a baked potato, bro. Who orders a baked potato from Wendy's, man? Like, that's you down bad, bro. You struggling. You want you a potato. What up, bro? Dog, I went to that Wendy's that's around the corner, dude. They fucking suck. It's cold as shit, boys. It's like 39 degrees right now. Oh, it's about to be such a horrible ride home. Like, you can see your breath. It's so cold. Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh. Yo, this sucks. It is like ice, bro. But the faster you go, the longer it goes.
Novinha fica de quatro que hoje
Come on. Let's go, baby. Oh, we are leading on these tires.